In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create stunning designs on Canva and then sell them through Printify. This is a fantastic way to combine your creativity with a business opportunity. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive in. First, we'll start with Canva, which is an incredibly user-friendly graphic design tool. You don't need to have advanced design skills to create eye-catching designs here. So, first things first, head over to canva.com and create an account if you don't have one yet. Once you've logged in, you'll be greeted by the dashboard, and this is where the magic begins. You'll want to choose a design type that fits what you're looking to sell. Whether it's something like t-shirts, mugs, or posters, Canva has a variety of templates tailored for these products. So let's click on Create a Design on the top right corner. You can either search for something specific or browse through the available options. Let's say for this video, we choose t-shirt. Once you're in the t-shirt design page, you'll see a plethora of templates on the left side. Feel free to scroll through and find one that resonates with your vision. Remember, you can completely customize these templates to make them your own. Click on a template that you like and it will pop up on your canvas, ready for you to edit. Now, customizing your chosen template is where you can unleash your creativity. You can change text, colors, and even images. To change text, simply double-click on it and type in your own phrase or quote. You can adjust the font style and size from the top toolbar, where you'll find options to make your text bold, italicized, or even change the color. Have fun with it. If you want to add your own images or illustrations, click on the Uploads tab on the left. Here, you can upload your own graphics or photos. Just make sure that you have the right to use any images you decide to upload. Also, consider using Canva's extensive library of free images by clicking on the Photos tab. You can drag and drop these images directly onto your design. As you're making your design, think about your target audience. What would they love to see on a t-shirt? Being thoughtful about your design and who will wear it can make all the difference. Perhaps you're aiming for a funny slogan for young adults, or a motivational quote for fitness enthusiasts. Tailoring your design to fit the audience is crucial. Once you're happy with your design, it's time to download it. Click on the Share button at the top right and select Download. You'll want to save your design as a PNG file because it supports transparent backgrounds, which is often necessary for printing on various products. After downloading your design, head over to Printify.com. Just like Canva, you'll need to create an account if you haven't done so already. Once you're logged in, the first step is to select Create a Product. Printify offers a wide range of products you can customize and sell, so explore their catalog and choose the product that you'd like to offer alongside your design. Let's say you choose a t-shirt. Click on that option, and you'll be taken to the product editor. Here, you can upload the design you created in Canva by dragging the PNG file you downloaded earlier. Position your design in the t-shirt template until you're satisfied with how it looks. You can preview it to see how it will appear once it's printed. Once everything looks perfect, you're ready to set your pricing. Printify will show you the base cost for each product, and you can set your selling price as well. Don't forget to take into account other expenses, like shipping and marketing, when you're pricing your items. Finally, don't rush the process. Take your time to double-check everything, and once you're ready, hit the Publish button. Your design is now available for sale through Printify. And there you have it.